This daily market update has been brought to you by Daily Wealth Report. Trading involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for you. Past performance is no guarantee or reliable indication of future results. All advice and education content is of the nature of general information only and must not in any way be construed or relied upon as legal, financial, or personal advice. Good morning, traders and investors. It is Monday, the 2nd of July, and we've had a strong rally in European and US markets following the announcement from the European Economic Summit. We can see here on screen we've got the FTSE index. It was up a whopping 78 points, closing 1.4% higher. But as we can see, that is a continuation of a short-term rally and now is establishing an upwards trend. However, the German DAX was up more than 4%, gaining 266 points and closing at 6,416. So 4.3% move there. We can see it's a gap up and a strong rally, now pushing for a new short-term highs. The CAC 40, the French CAC 40, was also trading much higher, up 4.7%. That's a 144-point gain for the session, closing at 3,196. So it too is breaking the previous downtrend and forming new short-term highs. As we look at the US markets, the Dow Jones had closed up 277 points, or 2.2%, closing at 12,880. A little bit of slight selling pressure there just in the futures ahead of tonight's activity. However, that's a nice strong move that has pushed it up to the previous short-term high. As we look at the S&P 500 index, it gained 33 points, or 2.5%, closing at 1,362. Very similar move there on the broader S&P 500. Focusing in on the Nasdaq, the technology stocks in the US, we had an 85-point gain, or 3% increase, closing at 2,935. Subsequently, that sent the VIX index down. We can see the VXX here breaking long-term lows, now trading at a much lower level than it has done for quite a very long time, and in fact more than 12 to 18 months. The VIX index itself had closed down $2.63, or 13%, and just reflects the fact that there isn't any fear about the markets out there right at the moment. As we look closer to home, the ASX 200 rallied quite strongly on Friday. It had been quite a subdued day up until the announcement that it had occurred, I think, about 1:30 in the afternoon. By the end of the day, the ASX 200 had gained 56 points, closing at 4,100 on the nose. And the SPI futures are pointing to a slightly higher open again, up 39 points. So we're expecting a bullish day to start the week and to start the new financial year. That's our summary for the markets over Friday, and we're looking forward to a more positive mood heading into this new week. And if you do have any questions, please feel free to contact us at support@dailywealthreport.com.au. I look forward to giving you an update again tomorrow.